Welcome to this short demonstration of Rulefinder Marketing Restrictions Asset Management, which is brought to you by aosphere. The service is developed and maintained by a senior legal team working with local counsel all across the globe. Many of our lawyers have worked in-house as well as in private practice and understand that clients don't want long legal essays on these topics, but digestible and practical information. The service benefits from extensive global coverage and allows market participants to understand who and how they can sell their funds and investment management and advisory services to, and how these marketing and sales activities should be conducted on a cross-border basis. If you're looking for information about sell-side marketing, such as marketing of loans, debt, equity, derivatives, etc., then our sister product, Rulefinder Marketing Restrictions, is for you, and please contact us for further information. We also have services covering topic areas such as shareholding disclosure, data privacy, and electronic signatures. From your homepage, you can see which jurisdictions have been recently updated and read more about the changes in those jurisdictions. You can also see our most recent alerts, which are impact flagged for ease. You can sign up to receive email alerts or change your profile at any time by accessing your profile. By clicking on this arrow here, you can search across all alerts and filter those alerts in a number of ways. To access an individual jurisdiction, you can use the interactive map or select from the drop-down list. Let's take a look at the report for Hong Kong. Each jurisdiction report is structured in a 3-column layout so that you can see the answers at a glance for open-ended funds, closed-ended funds, and the marketing of investment management and advisory services. For example, in relation to the marketing of managed accounts. Expandable tabs take you to the different areas of content depending on your type of marketing activity. If you're not sure which of these sections is most relevant, our decision tree provides you with a logic to work through depending on what type of activity you're carrying out and to what type of potential investor. In addition, at the top of the report, there is a short summary and also direct access to marketing legends and disclaimer language. The expandable and collapsible sections cover topics such as reverse inquiry or passive marketing, general marketing activities you can undertake without triggering local licensing restrictions, active marketing or private placement rules, and also cover mutual recognition and passporting schemes such as UCITS and other regimes. Separate information is provided on marketing to the public. Please note that the report structure looks slightly different for European and non-European jurisdictions. So looking at the structure here for Sweden, you'll see we have additional sections covering pre-marketing, including both CBDF pre-marketing and non-CBDF pre-marketing, and also sections on utilising an AIFMD marketing passport. The decision tree for European jurisdictions also reflects these different structures. Looking at the reverse inquiry tab, you can see that information is color-coded red, yellow, or green, depending on how permissible it is to do an activity in that jurisdiction. Where specific guidelines or practical application of the rules apply, we provide these informations in pop-ups, providing very practical answers that can be implemented in practice. Active marketing is also broken down by type of activity. So for instance, the distribution of written material versus telephone marketing versus fly-in meetings. We also analyse whether your investment structure or strategy impacts local marketing requirements. For instance, if your fund has an ESG or crypto strategy. Using the compare function at the top of the report, you can build your own comparison of one or more data points across one or all jurisdictions. Let's say you wanted to compare across the whole of Asia in relation to open-ended funds only, what type of general marketing activity you could do without triggering local restrictions. You can make your selection and either download this into an Excel spreadsheet or view the results on screen. So we can see here, for instance, that if you wanted to market a particular characteristic or investment strategy without referencing a specific fund, this would be more difficult in Japan compared to perhaps China or Hong Kong. At the top of the report, you can see our most recent alerts for that jurisdiction, and you can also expand the Show Sources link to see all the supporting sources. This includes the full memoranda of law from local counsel, black line against the last version, and all relevant sources of law. The full memorandum also includes local council's contact details. So to summarise, the layers of resources allow you to access the amount of detail you're looking for in a jurisdiction. From a quick summary or some marketing legends to a more detailed colour-coded report, or indeed the full memorandum from local council. You can also use the Functions button to look back to earlier versions of reports and laws for audit purposes. Support can be accessed by using the link at the top of the page. For more information about the product, including a free trial, a demo, or pricing, please get in touch via our website or at info@aosphere.com.